Hello everyone, my name is Zizipo Bilikwana. I studied in King Hintsa TVET College. I did farming management, so I have a diploma in farming management. I'm 28 years of age and I'm from Khayelitsha, but originally from Eastern Cape in Dutywa. I'm a graduate intern from the Western Cape Department of Agriculture. I am placed under HandPicked CityFarms Kenilworth Centre. So my journey so far has been amazing because it's my first time working with plants, with hydroponic system, with African growers. The intensive and working with plants as a whole and working with African grower, it is a great experience. We are having many varieties of plants, but the one that I like to grow is spring onion. It doesn't take much to grow, it takes only 6 weeks to grow. I have majored in animal production, so I've not worked with plants before. But I have a backyard garden back at home in Eastern Cape, so we used to grow veggies. So the difference between growing in African growers as well as the plants, the soil, is that the African growers, they grow fast than the soil. Skills that I've learned working with the African growers is that I can plant, I can harvest, I can do seedling propagation, pest and disease control. Tips that I'm gonna give everyone who has a business or want to start a farming business is that to go out there, do research, ask people, because with agriculture you learn something new every day. So our biggest challenge so far is aphids. So to overcome them, we're using our organic mixture, which is vinegar, cyanide liquid, and we mix it with water, then we spray the plants. So my future goals is to go back to school and do my advanced diploma. So maybe in future, I'll decide on opening my own farm. Thank you, Mr. Price Foundation, for the opportunity. I'm really enjoying my time here and I'm also learning a lot. Thank you, thank you, thank you.